The video animation shows a gently undulating sea surface in which a sequence of numbers and characters is sewn in signal red. It is a historical date. The anniversary swims for a while in the waves, then the sewn lettering slowly begins to sink and disappears into the depths of the sea. Shortly afterwards, a new date is sewn into the water surface with a simple stitch seam. In the video animation, a total of 12 dates are sewn one after the other into the water surface. These are proven data of maritime accidents mainly in the Mediterranean from the years 2011 to 2017, in which more than 200 people, migrants, and war refugees from Indonesia, Libya, Egypt, Syria, Palestine, or Sudan, died. Most of the refugees, including children, were traveling in completely overloaded boats. Mostly, the victims remained nameless